management of GPT Infra. We have Mr. Atul Tantia, the Joint Managing Director and CFO of the company joining us. Mr. Tantia, thank you so much for joining us. Let's talk about your recent order win. Tell us a little bit more about the recent order worth 195 crore rupees. What is your visibility on the order book also going ahead?
So, thank you for having us. This recent order win is from TISPS, which is the Port Authority in Ivory Coast. It is for a conveyor belt handling system for the main port as well as in the phase 2, as well as for CCOM. It's a new line of business for us. We have done earlier fabrication works, but it's a new line of business because and we are working in a neighboring country in Ghana as well. So we thought that this would be a good opportunity. In terms of our order book, our current net order book is about 4,050 crores, with order inflows this year of almost 600 crores. We have submitted further bids this year as well, and we expect to convert some of those into orders in the ensuing 5 months.
Right. Mr. Tantia, hi. Thank you so much for joining us. This is Ankita also joining in the conversation. You are targeting almost double revenue by FY28. What will be your growth levers for you?
Sure. So as you are aware, we are primarily into the infrastructure space, and there's a lot of focus of the government on infrastructure. The growth would be primarily driven by the government spending on infrastructure. We have, like I said, an order book of almost 4,050 crores. Last year, the revenues were 1,200 odd crores. We would be growing almost 20-22% CAGR over the next 3 years, which would take us to double the revenue, like I said, in the next 3 years. And I think that given the focus of the government on infrastructure, it is quite an achievable target. We have primarily core competence in construction of large bridges in the country. And we also do the manufacturing of railway concrete sleepers. And railway, as you are aware, has a lot of focus on infrastructure upgrade. And this provides a good opportunity for us to grow the business in the next couple of years.
Okay, and also help us understand, has your production begun in the Ghana facility, the Ghana concrete sleeper facility, and by when do you start expecting it to start contributing positively to your EBITDA?
So the Ghana, the factory has already done the trial productions. The product has been approved by the authorities in Munich. And we already started collecting the raw materials to start the commercial production, which should be started in this quarter. And the fourth quarter onwards, we should start contributing positively to the EBITDA as well.
Right. Also, tell us, you have raised a fund from, by QIP. How did you utilize that fund? And from your shares, you have pledged almost 50% shares. What's the plan to reduce that?
Sure. So the QIP fundraiser of 175 crores was primarily used as per the shareholder approval to reduce the working capital debt of the company. The working capital debt of the company has been reduced by almost 125 odd crores, and the balance was used for general corporate purposes. It was fully deployed, and we have since then seen our credit rating upgrade from CRISIL to A from A-. The share pledge has also reduced from earlier 68% to 51% of the promoters, and we expect further reduction in the ensuing quarters. The share pledge is primarily for the working capital limits of the company and not for any other purpose.
Okay, well, that sounds optimistic going ahead. Mr. Tantia, thank you so much for joining us, and good luck for the quarters to come.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Well, viewers, as we wrap up the show, we leave you with an exclusive conversation